Hey, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier here in Cumming, Georgia, here to walk you through our brand new Crest 220 DLX. Starting off here in the bow area, you do have a really nice bow seating up here. You will have storage underneath all the seats here. And then you are going to have an additional 2 cup holders as well as built-in speakers that do have LED lighting. So when you're out on the lake at night listening to some music, you'll have some nice accent lighting there through the speakers. Sitting under this storage compartment here, you will have a pull-out soft-sided cooler. Here beneath the deck, we are going to have subfloor storage. So you have a really nice ski locker here for all your tubes, life jackets, anything you're using out on the lake to enjoy the day and get out on the water. You are going to have an extra storage compartment under here. Moving into the helm station of the Crest 220 DLX, this boat is equipped with an upgraded Fusion audio system. Here you're going to have all your rocker switches for your cooled cup, all your lights and accent lighting, your docking lights, your navigation, and your master power. Up here you are going to have your Lowrance display, so this is going to be for your transducer and your chart plotter. Another really cool feature of this boat is the storage. Moving here to the back of one of the seats, we will have 3 drawers. Really nice storage compartments for all your stuff that you're bringing out on the lake. Another really cool feature moving into the back of this boat is going to be your sunbed. So this sunbed has multiple configurations. This backrest will actually move forward and aft, so you can sit forward or aft face seating. Really nice and spacious lounger here with storage underneath. And then right under here in the aft on the starboard side, you are going to have another storage compartment. So this is anything from your cover, fenders, buoys, life jackets, anything you want to bring out on the lake with you. Moving here to what we call the swim platform of this boat. This boat is going to be powered with a Mercury 200 horsepower Pro XS. And then you are going to have a ski tow bar, so if you're doing any wakeboarding, skiing, or you're towing the kids tubing for the day. So really nice boat, well equipped, perfect for all the days out on the water. If you'd like to come see this boat, visit us here at MarineMax on Lake Lanier or visit our website at marinemax.com.